Okay, today we're going to practice compass pose. So, come and sit on the top of your mat. Bring your feet into just a comfortable seated pose, cross-legged. And then leave your left leg on the mat and start to lift your right leg. Take your left hand to your right foot, your right hand to your right knee, and start to just rotate that knee around. Circling it to the right, and then circling it to the left. This is to open that hip. And then once you feel warmed up in the hip, you're going to continue to lift the leg. Take your right hand and slide it underneath your right leg. So hooking the right knee over the right shoulder, taking the right hand outside the right leg. Flip the left hand so the thumb and hand is on the pinky edge of that foot. From here, root down into the right hand and start to extend the right leg. Straight if you can, bent is fine. And then once you get it extended to seats on the mat, maybe gaze under that left shoulder for your compass pose. Unwinding, coming back to your seated pose. And you did it. Awesome job.